One day a group of train spotters were coming to visit the station on the island of Sodor. Gordon was boasting again. "I am the best-looking engine here," he said. "Everyone shall admire me as I pull the express." His driver came up to him and said, "You'll be taking out the coal trucks today, Gordon." Gordon whistled crossly. "Trucks? Huh! I'm much too important for that." Gordon's driver stoked up his fire and oiled him for the day's work. "No one will think I'm important if they see me pulling trucks," said Gordon with a shrill whistle. The coal trucks were coupled to Gordon. His driver saw the signal to go, but Gordon wouldn't move. Gordon's driver was becoming impatient. "If you don't behave, I shall ask the Fat Controller to let you move coal trucks for a whole month," he said. Gordon pulled out of the station. He wanted to hurry so that he could get back in time to be cleaned up before the train spotters arrived. "Don't go fast! Don't go fast! Don't go fast!" groaned the coal trucks. When they reached the harbour, the coal was loaded aboard a big ship. "Hurry up! Hurry up!" said Gordon. "Be patient," said his driver. "More haste, less speed." Gordon made the tired coal trucks hurry on the return journey too. "Oh, ow, ow!" they cried. Gordon saw the station come into view. The train spotters had not arrived. "I've made it!" Gordon laughed. He hurried along even faster. Suddenly Gordon's driver saw the signal was straight for stop, but Gordon was going too fast. A paint wagon was on the line. Gordon's driver let off steam and put on the brakes, but it was too late. Gordon ran into the paint wagon. Paint flew everywhere. The Fat Controller was cross. He sent Gordon back to the shed without being cleaned. "I've got paint spots all over me," he fumed. "Serves you right," giggled the coal trucks. Then the train spotters came. They took the numbers of Thomas and Edward and Percy and James. They laughed when they saw Gordon. So did Thomas. "Now we have train spotters and a spotted train," he laughed.